Experiencing issues with your Tesla Model S charge port not opening, working, or unlocking? You're not alone. This video addresses common problems with the motorized charge port door on older Model S models from 2012 to 2021, where the door fails to open automatically. We'll cover troubleshooting steps, temporary fixes, and when it's time to seek professional help. Newer models are less prone to these issues due to software updates, but legacy models still face these challenges. Here's what a typical charge port looks like and how it functions. The Model S charge port uses proximity sensors, magnets, and an electric actuator powered by the vehicle's 12 volts auxiliary battery to open automatically when an authorized charging cable approaches. The charge port is designed to lock and unlock via the vehicle's touchscreen, mobile app, or a manual release mechanism for backup. Common failures include software glitches in the infotainment system, hardware wear from harsh conditions, power issues with the 12-volt battery, and sensor malfunctions that prevent proper detection. Never force the port open to avoid damaging the actuator assembly. If replacement is needed, the actuator can cost $500 to $1,000. The tap method is a simple first step. Gently tap the charge port door to dislodge any ice or debris that might be obstructing the mechanism. This can sometimes reset the actuator or dislodge ice buildup, especially in cold weather. Be careful not to apply too much force. If the touchscreen isn't responding, try unlocking the charge port using the Tesla mobile app. This bypasses the in-car system and directly commands the actuator. Ensure your app is connected to the car and you have a stable internet connection. This is a common software-related fix and can be very effective. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on for proximity features to work. Open the Tesla app on your phone and navigate to the Controls section to find the Charge Port Unlock option. Some older Tesla Model S variants, specifically those produced before 2018, include a manual release lever for the charge port. This manual release lever is typically located inside the trunk or under the vehicle. Always check your owner's manual for the exact location in your specific model. The lever allows you to physically unlock the charge port, bypassing any electronic issues. However, newer Model S models often lack this feature and require professional assistance if other methods fail. Keep your Tesla's firmware up to date. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that specifically address charge port issues, improving actuator reliability and adding diagnostic features. These over-the-air updates are delivered wirelessly to your vehicle. The process includes notification of available updates, downloading the update, and applying it during a scheduled launch. Updates often improve charging efficiency and fix port-related bugs. Newer firmware versions, such as 2025.44 and later, include charge port health checks in the vehicle settings. These allow you to monitor the actuator's status and receive proactive alerts if issues are detected. When updates are available, check the release notes to see if they address charging improvements. For example, updates may enhance charging efficiency and add new diagnostic features. Tapping the app, manual release if available, and software updates don't work, it's time to contact Tesla service. Actuator replacement can cost between $500 and $1,000. Check if your vehicle is under warranty or extended service coverage. In some regions, Tesla has extended warranty coverage due to cold weather-related issues. Tesla is moving towards software-centric fixes that reduce reliance on physical charge ports. Future models feature wireless charging, which eliminates mechanical doors entirely. Inductive pads provide a seamless charging experience without physical ports. Wireless charging setups, like this Level 2 configuration, connect through dedicated circuits and provide reliable power without cables. Keep an eye out for AI-driven predictive maintenance features in future software updates. These will monitor charge port health and alert you to potential failures before they occur, following steps from data collection to model deployment.